Hey guys, heading into work right now, and just wanted to share this thought with you. I was thinking about it this morning that, today, every day, go out and make a mistake. Go out and fail. Go out and do something that's going to make you embarrassed because you messed up. One thing that I've learned is that going through adversity and making mistakes is when you learn and you stretch and you grow. If you stay within your little bubble, your little comfort zone of safety, you're not going to advance, you're not going to learn. And especially when you're in business, try something new, go out there, test some things out, make that call, introduce yourself to that next person, do something that you thought you would never do in your life. Because when your back's against that wall and you face adversity, you will progress and you will move forward.